Just a quick little tour of a Thor 31-foot Class C with the double slide out. 450 Ford gas engine.
Cute little dump station. Water hookup and furnace vent, refrigerator. Oh, just the furnace. Cute, warm colors interior. Bunk bed for a couple of kids. Easy access with the removable ladder. Dining table converts into another bed. Extra storage below. TV. Cute little kitchen format. Gas and electric cooktop, convection microwave oven, refrigerator and freezer, and good size too. Well designed sink, plenty of storage, pantry. Wow, that's well done. Storage. This looks like a full-size bed with the window on the side. Good space. Surprised me with a walk-in closet and a window. I thought that was pretty cool. Looks like it has 2 air conditioning units. Toilet and a shower, big enough for 2 people, and you can shower with 6 gallons of hot water. I've done it, so it's very doable. Easy to read. Control panel, sliding door for privacy. Very nice, very nicely laid out coach, very functional and good for a couple with a couple of kids to travel for 2-3 weeks perhaps, see the country and sights. So yeah, looks like well done. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing to the channel. Well designed Class C, 31 foot, very functional. The floor works for me. From a standpoint of livability, it looks very livable. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing to our channel and follow us on the road. Thank you.